Hey guys, so how do you build habits that stick longer to your routine, stick longer in your daily life, last longer, perhaps a few years or even your lifetime? Now, there's a theory called the Habit Installation Protocol by the renowned author Robin Sharma, which explains it well. And I'm going to explain that to you. So, what Robin Sharma says it's that it takes around 66 days for a habit to reach the point of automaticity, meaning that the point of automaticity is when you'll feel the least resistance to do that habit, like brushing your teeth. It almost becomes involuntary. So that 66-day period is divided into three phases: destruction, installation, and integration. Now the first phase, the first 22 days phase, destruction, is when you'll feel the most resistance. You'll start procrastinating, you'll start skipping days, you'll feel like giving up, you'll make excuses to yourself. But what Robin Sharma wants you to do is to not give up during that time, to deal with resistance and just keep going on. Doesn't matter if you skip 1 or 2 days in between, don't feel bad, just go on. And after the destruction phase is when you reach the installation phase, and that's when your brain starts building up new neural pathways and hardwiring the habit into itself. And by that time, the resistance levels will drop substantially. You'll feel much easier doing that habit, following through that habit. And so yeah, it will become easier to follow along. And by the end of that 22-day period, that's the installation period, and 44 days in total, you'll reach the integration phase. That's when things get much easier. That's when things start to become reach the point of automaticity. Things become very easier, you feel the least resistance, and just stick through that too. And then after 66 days in total is when you'll reach the automaticity point, and that big congratulations, you've developed a habit that lasts long, like it becomes a daily thing. So yeah, a really powerful insight by Robin Sharma there. Just wanted to let you guys know about it. Hope it will help.